Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify passwordless login with Cognito and SMS step by step clearly. To verify passwordless login with Cognito and SMS, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Cognito service. Select Manage User Pools to create a new user pool. Click on Create a User Pool. Enter a name for your user pool and click Review Defaults. Scroll down to the Sign-in Experience section. Choose email address or phone number as the sign-in method. Navigate to the MFA and Verifications section. Enable phone number verification by checking the appropriate box. Choose SMS for the verification type. Scroll to the App Client section and click Add an App Client. Enter a name for your app client and disable Generate Client Secret. Ensure that Enable Phone Number Sign-in is selected. Click Create App Client to proceed. Once the app client is created, navigate to the Message Customization tab. Customize the SMS message that will be sent for verification. Go back to the main user pool dashboard. Select Attributes to configure mandatory attributes. Ensure that phone number is marked as required. Now, select domain name to set a unique domain for hosted UI. Enter your desired domain name and click Save Changes. Navigate to App Client Settings. Select your created app client and configure the callback URL. Enable the enabled identity providers for Cognito User Pool. Scroll down to OAuth 2.0 and select Authorization Code Grant. Check the boxes for phone under Allowed OAuth Scopes. Click Save Changes to finalize your setup. Next, access the hosted UI by navigating to your domain URL. Use the specified callback URL for your application. Now, prompt users to enter their phone numbers for login. On submission, Cognito sends a verification code via SMS to the entered number. Capture this code in your application for verification. Call the Cognito API to confirm the code and complete the login process. Once verified, users are successfully logged in without needing a password. Monitor your AWS resources for any user activity and performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.